Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025 and need to move your Polkadot tokens from Binance to Uphold, you're in the right spot. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, make sure you have active accounts on both Binance and Uphold, and that you have some DOT tokens in your Binance wallet. Always double-check your balances before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section at the top of the page. Step 2. In the Wallet area, look for the Withdraw option and click on it. This will bring up a list of your assets. Step 3. Search for Polkadot or DOT in the search bar. Select it to proceed with the withdrawal setup. Step 4. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Go to your DOT wallet. Copy the wallet address, and make sure it's correct. Crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos. Step 5. Back in Binance, paste the Uphold wallet address into the designated field. Enter the amount of DOT you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Step 6. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the transaction fee and estimated processing time. Enable two-factor authentication if prompted for added security, then confirm the withdrawal. After that, you'll need to wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's complete, log back into Uphold and check your DOT balance to confirm the tokens have arrived. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now safely in Uphold. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto transfers to avoid scams or losses. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.